Hey everybody, so today we're going to be solving question number 24 from Appendix D, and it asked us to find the trig ratios for 4 pi over 3. So starting off, we know that 4 pi over 3 is greater than pi, which means it will be in the third quadrant. So using the cast rule, that is the T quadrant. So we'll start off by drawing a quick diagram here. This angle is what we're looking for. So 4 pi over 3 minus pi equals pi over 3. So now we can use that to draw the special triangle, and we'll draw it this way to correspond with the diagram above. So that makes this -1. We have 2 for the hypotenuse, -√3, and this angle here is our pi over 3, and this one is going to be pi over 6. So, using all the angles and sides from that, we can find all the trig ratios. So, sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, of 4 pi over 3 is going to equal, we have -3 over 2, or -√3, sorry, over 2. And then we have cos 4 pi over 3, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, and we'll draw a triangle, and so -1 over 2, so that gives us -1/2. And we'll go on to tan 4 pi over 3 is opposite over adjacent, which will give us -3 over -1. So -√3 over -1, which is also just positive √3. So now we'll go on to cosecant of 4 pi over 3, which is hypotenuse over the opposite side, and that's just going to be the reciprocal of this, so 2 over √3, and this is a negative, and then we will go on to secant, which is 4 pi over 3 again, and hypotenuse over adjacent, and just the reciprocal of this is -2. And then finally, on to cotan of 4 pi over 3. It's going to give us adjacent over opposite, and that is going to be 1 over √3. And using the cast law, we can check to see if we have our negative and positives right. So only tan is going to be positive, and that is correct. So that is the solution to Appendix D number 24.